If you've been running into frustrating 404 errors on your WordPress site, or maybe your links just aren't working quite right after updating plugins or making changes, chances are your permalinks need a reset. Today, I'm going to show you the absolute simplest way to fix your WordPress URL structure. No coding, no complicated settings, just a quick dashboard trick. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to flush your permalinks and get your links working perfectly again, all in less than a minute. Let's jump straight in. So what we're going to do here is known as the dashboard flush. This is WordPress's built-in way to regenerate your permalink structure, and it fixes most common link issues, especially those annoying page not found errors. Don't worry, you won't lose or change any actual URLs on your site. We're simply telling WordPress to resave its link settings behind the scenes. First step, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for all your site's settings and content. If you've never explored this area before, don't be intimidated. Everything we're about to do is totally safe and straightforward. Once you're in, look over on the left-hand side for the Settings menu. Hover over or click on that and then select Permalinks from the dropdown. The Permalinks page is where WordPress controls the format of your URLs. You'll see several radio buttons showing options like plain, day and name, post name. You don't need to change anything here unless you specifically want to switch your URL style, but for a reset, we're going to keep everything as it is. Here's the key part. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this page. You'll see a blue Save Changes button. This button isn't just for when you've made adjustments. Simply clicking it tells WordPress, hey, please refresh and update the way you generate links across my site. So go ahead and click Save Changes even if you haven't touched a single setting. This might seem counterintuitive, like you're not really doing anything, but in the background, WordPress is rewriting the rules that handle how links are served up. This process usually takes just a moment and you'll be automatically refreshed back to the same page. You won't see any dramatic change or pop-up notification, but that's totally normal. Now for the final step. It's time to verify the fix. Open up a new tab and visit your website, especially one of the pages that was giving you trouble. Click around and make sure your links and posts are loading as they should. If the reset worked, those 404 errors or broken links should be gone. If you're still running into issues, sometimes clearing your browser cache can help, or in rare cases you might need to check your server's configuration, but for most WordPress users, this easy dashboard flush does the trick. Don't worry if it didn't work right away. Sometimes it's worth trying the process one more time just to make sure. Think of this like restarting your computer when things get a little weird. It's a gentle nudge to get WordPress back on track. And that's all there is to it. You've just reset your WordPress permalinks, and in most cases, your site links will be working smoothly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and share your experience down in the comments. I'm always happy to help if you have any questions or run into something unexpected. And if you want more WordPress tips and easy fixes, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.